In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create work orders in QuickBooks Online using estimates. This process will help you streamline your workflow and keep your project documentation organized. Let's dive in. First, we need to create a custom form style for our work orders. To do this, start by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen. This gear icon is your gateway to many important settings and customization options in QuickBooks Online, so becoming familiar with it is quite handy. Once you've clicked on it, a menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll need to select Custom Form Styles. After you're in the Custom Form Styles section, you will see an option to create a new style. Look toward the top right and click on New Style. From the drop-down menu, select Estimate. This is where we begin adapting the estimate form to function as a work order. Now it's time to give your new form a name. This is crucial for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to have multiple form styles. So, let's rename it to Work Order Form. With the name set, you have the opportunity to customize the appearance of this form to meet your specific needs. This might include adjusting the colors, fonts, and overall layout to better match your company's branding. This step is all about giving the form a personal touch, so take your time to explore the customization options and make it yours. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, we need to shift our focus to what's on the form itself. Head over to the Content tab. This area is where you can edit the different fields and labels that will appear on the form. Here, change the title to Work Order Form to ensure consistency and clarity when this form is used. This step is key to differentiating it from a standard estimate, so make sure the title is updated. After you've made these adjustments, don't forget to save your work. Click on the Save button to ensure all your customizations are secured. That covers the setup part of creating a custom work order form style in QuickBooks Online. Now, moving forward, whenever you need to create a new estimate, you'll have the option to select the work order form template from the drop-down when choosing your form style. This means all these customizations are just a click away whenever you're setting up a new job. And there you go, you're all set. This streamlined process should help you manage projects more effectively, leveraging the robust features of QuickBooks Online to your advantage. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to create consistent and professional-looking work orders with ease, improving both your workflow and client communications. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.